A substance abuse clinic in our area just made a big donation to the Lookout Mountain Children's Advocacy Center.
And Leah Bowling has more about how this money will be used.
Private Clinic North made a $10,000 donation to the Lookout Mountain Children's Advocacy Center.
This donation means a lot to us. We actually got a $64,000 cut in our federal funding this year. So in order for us to continue the quality of services that we've always done, these donations that we receive, especially like this one from Private Clinic North, is super important.
Steve Davis with Private Clinic North, an outpatient substance abuse treatment center, says this donation was important for them to make this time of year.
Our owners and management have decided through philanthropy during the holiday season, thinking about children, especially with Christmas coming up, that this is a great time to give.
He says about 80% of the patients he sees at the clinic have gone through some type of early abuse.
There's a common denominator, and that is early childhood trauma. We've seen with our patients when we do screening assessments and things of that nature that early childhood trauma is what generally leads to folks coping ineffectively and winding up with substance abuse problems.
Anthony Dye says this money will go toward mental health services at the CAC.
Our mental health program is very important to us, and with this, we plan to try to hire another therapist.
He also says that access to this counseling is crucial to recovery.
Not only to get them in therapy, but to get them to where they're able to talk about the abuse that they've suffered, and to get them to a place where they're able to continue on is super important.
Dye says the CAC has seen more than 300 children this year.
That's 300 kids that were brave enough to come to us to make an outcry of abuse. You multiply that about 5 by 5, and that's about the number that it's really happening with in this community. It knows no boundaries. It doesn't discriminate. It affects every community. It affects every neighborhood, every school system. So just like substance abuse, it knows no boundaries.
Which is why both say having these services is so important.
Those services are 100% free to the families. And so this donation alone is going to help a tremendous amount of kids.
Reporting in Fort Oglethorpe, I'm Leah Bowling, Local 3 News.